They said it could never return, that the spirit of the original Willys was lost forever. But today, the 2025 Jeep Willys Truck is finally back, the legend rebuilt for a new generation. Get ready, America, because this is the comeback you didn't see coming. Folks, brace yourselves. The 2025 Jeep Willys Truck has arrived, and it's rewriting everything you thought you knew about off-road pickups. Some purists are outraged, claiming Jeep has sacrificed heritage for hype. But stick around, because I'm about to peel back the curtain on the one flaw that could make even die-hard fans hesitate. The first thing you notice is that unmistakable Willys Jeep 2025 silhouette, bold fender flares, the classic 7-slot grille, reimagined for modern appetites. It feels like history and tomorrow shaking hands. The boxy hood and retro-inspired round headlights pay homage to the 2022 Jeep Willys, while the wider stance and high-clearance arches scream adventure ready. The steel skid plates, the integrated roll cage across the bed, and the matte finish, color options that dare you to get dirty. It's like staring at a vintage museum piece that's been souped up by a mad scientist, and that's exactly why we love it. Slide in, and you're embraced by an environment that balances raw utility with modern luxury. Durable, water-resistant leather-trimmed seats with contrast stitching, a nod to the 2024 Jeep Willys, yet fully heated and ventilated for all-season comfort. A 12.3-inch touchscreen anchors the dash, featuring Jeep's latest Uconnect 5 system. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in off-road coach, check, check, and check. Grab handles sculpted into the dash, wireless charging pad hidden beneath the center console, and even custom trail maps etched into the door panels. It's off-road chic. Some might call it overkill, but when you're crawling over boulders or fording streams, you'll thank Jeep for thinking of every last detail. In a world where horsepower is king and torque is queen, the 2025 Jeep Willys Truck dances elegantly on the edge of raw power and refined control. Engine, a 3.6L Pentastar. V6 whispering like a wild Mustang, unleashing 285 horses. Torque, 260 lb-ft. A coil of steel ready to snap into action at a moment's notice. Range, up to 450 miles on the highway, a marathon runner with a thirst for open roads. 464 system, rock track heavy-duty transfer case with 4.1 crawl ratio. Every gear shift feels like poetry in motion. This isn't just a pickup, it's a symphony of pistons, gearing, and unbridled wanderlust. Now, I promised you honesty, and here it is. Despite the legend Reborn, the 2025 Willys Truck carries a price tag that might rattle your wallet. Starting at $55,000, most fully loaded models edge well above 65Ks. For a stripped-down enthusiast craving pure Willys DNA, no heated seats, no lockable differential, you'll still fork over nearly 58Ks. That's more than a 2025 Jeep Wrangler. Willys, and dangerously close to rivals like the 2025 Jeep Gladiator Willys in limited trims. It's the single biggest hurdle, an identity crisis between a nostalgic icon and a premium modern pickup. So who stands toe-to-toe with our returning hero? Meet the 2025 Jeep Gladiator Willys, its own off-road warrior, but one that leans more towards conventional utility than pure heritage. And then there's the Ford Bronco Raptor Ute, rumored for 2026, a beast promising brute force and cutting-edge tech. The 2025 Jeep Willys Truck review headlines will talk numbers, but here's the real battleground: brand loyalty. Jeep has reignited the flame of the original Willys Jeep truck, and for many, that legacy trumps horsepower charts. Looking forward, 2026 promises a new Jeep Willys pickup truck, 2026 model with hybrid options, and whispers of an all-electric 2026 Jeep Willys Truck full review model. The competition isn't sleeping, and neither should you. Whether you're drawn to its storied past or its cutting-edge present, the 2025 Jeep Willys Truck is more than metal and bolts. It's a statement, a bridge between the grit of wartime legends and the high-tech trails of tomorrow. But here's the question: are you willing to pay the price of nostalgia? Or will you wait for the 2026 Jeep Willys Truck with that rumored hybrid powertrain? Sound off in the comments below, because legends aren't just driven, they're debated. Thanks for riding shotgun with us. Until next time, keep Keep it wild, keep it free, and keep chasing the horizon.